Welcome to Future Human Science, where we explore the cutting-edge intersections of technology and science. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary topic that stands at the forefront of medical innovation: the impact of 3D bioprinting on medicine, printing organs and tissues. We'll uncover how this transformative technology works, its potential to reshape medicine, and the exciting advancements that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. 3D bioprinting is a breakthrough technology that combines principles from 3D printing with biological sciences to create living tissues and organs. Unlike traditional 3D printing, which uses materials like plastic or metal, bioprinting employs bioinks, specialized materials made from cells, biomolecules, and other components. These bioinks are used to build complex structures layer by layer, mimicking the natural architecture of tissues and organs. To understand how bioprinting works, let's look at the process step by step. The first step is creating a digital model of the tissue or organ to be printed. This model is often based on detailed scans from imaging technologies such as MRI or CT scans. These scans provide precise data on the structure and composition of the tissue, allowing scientists to design a highly accurate 3D blueprint. Once the digital model is ready, it is used to guide the bioprinting process. The bioprinter deposits bioinks in a precise, layer-by-layer fashion to build up the tissue structure. These bioinks contain living cells, which are carefully chosen based on the type of tissue being printed. For example, skin cells are used for printing skin tissue, while stem cells may be used to create more complex tissues like blood vessels or organs. One of the most promising applications of 3D bioprinting is in the field of organ transplantation. Currently, there is a significant shortage of donor organs, leading to long waiting times and high rates of organ failure. 3D bioprinting offers the potential to create custom-made organs on demand, using a patient's own cells to minimize the risk of rejection and eliminate the need for immunosuppressive drugs. Research into bioprinting organs is still in its early stages, but progress is being made. For instance, scientists have successfully bioprinted simpler tissues such as skin, cartilage, and even small sections of heart muscle. These advancements pave the way for more complex organs such as kidneys, livers, and hearts. While fully functional, bioprinted organs are not yet available for human transplantation. Ongoing research and clinical trials are bringing us closer to this goal. Another exciting application of 3D bioprinting is in drug testing and development. Traditionally, drugs are tested on animal models before being used in human trials. However, these models do not always accurately predict human responses. By printing tissue models that closely resemble human organs, researchers can test new drugs and therapies more effectively, reducing the need for animal testing and increasing the likelihood of successful treatments. Bioprinting also has the potential to revolutionize regenerative medicine. This field focuses on repairing or replacing damaged tissues and organs using biological techniques. For example, bioprinted skin grafts can be used to treat burn victims or individuals with skin conditions. Similarly, bioprinted cartilage can be used to repair damaged joints, offering new hope for patients with conditions like osteoarthritis. Despite its immense potential, 3D bioprinting faces several challenges. One of the primary challenges is developing bioinks that can support the growth and function of complex tissues. These bioinks must provide the necessary nutrients and support for cells to thrive and form functional tissue structures. Researchers are continuously working to improve these materials, incorporating advanced biomaterials and growth factors to enhance their performance. Another challenge is ensuring the scalability and reproducibility of bioprinted tissues and organs. For bioprinting to become a viable solution for organ transplantation and other medical applications, it must be possible to produce these structures consistently and at a large scale. This requires advancements in bioprinting technology, quality control, and manufacturing processes. The integration of bioprinted tissues into the human body is also a critical area of research. Ensuring that bioprinted tissues can integrate with existing tissues and function effectively within the body is essential for successful medical applications. Researchers are exploring various techniques to enhance tissue integration, including the use of bioengineered scaffolds and growth factors. In addition to these technical challenges, there are ethical and regulatory considerations surrounding bioprinting. As with any emerging technology, it is important to address ethical questions related to the use of human cells and tissues, as well as to establish regulations that ensure the safety and efficacy of bioprinted products. Despite these challenges, the progress in 3D bioprinting is nothing short of remarkable. Researchers and engineers are continually pushing the boundaries of what is possible, working towards a future where bioprinted tissues and organs become a routine part of medical practice. The potential benefits of this technology are immense, offering new possibilities for treating diseases, advancing drug development, and improving the quality of life for countless individuals. In conclusion, 3D bioprinting represents a groundbreaking advancement in medicine, with the potential to transform the way we approach tissue engineering, organ transplantation, and drug development. As technology continues to evolve, we can look forward to a future where bioprinted tissues and organs become a reality, offering new hope and opportunities for patients around the world.